Welcome to my project Buzzor.com. Let's see the title of our project. Project title is Secure Cloud Storage Using Android. Let's see the abstract of this project. So secure computing provides a global leader in enterprise security solutions. Secure computing award-winning solutions powered by the trusted source technology protect mission critical business application from internet-bound threats and security risk management with the most comprehensive and integrated endpoint, gateway and hybrid security offering. Cryptography methods and enable encryption algorithms have been constructed to hide the very presence of encrypted info. The lesson studies from deniable encryption in the desktop status and design new corrective for threats exploit to the mobile system, preserving to exercise for the Android OS to appraise the utility and achievement of the various hardware profiles. So after in cloud computer, data owner can outsource his data on the cloud server and only the authorized user can access or request for this data. The service is called database as a service, but there are different issues related to confidentiality, correctness, query and access permission of outsourced data because cloud is managed by untrusted third party. Owners are always suspected about the security of the data. So we consider this is a basic idea for proposed concept. The existing does not provide security against possible attack of clouds, but the proposed system can provide the security against collision attack and DDoS attack. By using the concept of re-encryption, the data get more security access permission that who will access the data is decided by only the data owner. Nowadays, user of Android based device can be increasing day by day because it can be easily carried out anywhere. So in existing system, to provide better security, data owner has to be online all the time. So our proposed system will be helpful for data owner by providing the notification about request of the user. In cloud computing technology includes such as the automatic computing virtualization. So in this paper we propose a system for security enhancement of cloud computing using the identity-based encryption. It captures the following process without the help of the private key generator. The file owner can decide the access permission independently. For one request, a receiver can only access one file instead of all file of this owner. Our schemes are secure against the DDoS and also secure against collision attacks. Namely, even if the receiver can compress the proxy servers, he cannot obtain the owner's secret key. Can get the notification about user request on his Android based device, which is not possible in existing system. Can get the message related to the secret key on the Android based device, which will increase the security level of this system. So in this application, the identity based proxy encryption is usually proposed by the event, which they presented security model for both unidirectional and bidirectional IBE schemes. In this scheme, the master secret key used to extract the secret key split into the two parts. One is sent to the proxy server and the other one is sent to the user. The user can decrypt the ciphertext for him with the help of the proxy server. But this end of the system is not the collision safe. So identity-based proxy re-encryption. The first identity-based proxy re-encryption was developed by the Green. In this, to decrypt the ciphertext, and the owner selects the random number of the computes a re-encryption key by randomizing his secret key. Then he encrypts the selected random number so under the user's identity. Finally, he sends the re-encryption key and ciphertext to the proxy server. Using the re-encryption key, the proxy server can transfer a ciphertext for the owner to a ciphertext for the user. Let's see the data flow diagram of this project. So in first one is a start module. After that, two modules will be displayed. First one is download, next one is upload. In uploads, the user may enter their data to upload from the cloud server. So we are using now AES encryption algorithm and identity based algorithm. So after that, user must provide the secret key for the encrypted text. After providing the secret key, the data will be uploaded to the cloud server. So after uploading, if the data is succeeded upload to the cloud server, a toast will be displayed. If not, the uploader will be failed. If upload completed, the data successfully stored in the server. So in the other user, if you want to download their data through from other devices, the user must click the download button. After clicking the download button, the download page will be displayed. So after download page will be displayed, the provider file names and the user must enter their provider secret key. So the system must verify the provider user name, file name and the secret key. If the key is matched, the data will be downloaded to the other users and decrypted. After decrypting, the data will be viewed successfully from the other users. Otherwise, the data cannot be encrypted or decrypted from the other sites or outsourced of the servers. Let's see the demo of this project. This is the starting page of our application. First one has two buttons. First one is download module, another one is upload module. These two buttons are click the various independent function. First click upload button. So after clicking the upload button, the upload activity will be displayed. In upload activity, the user must enter their name, their mobile number and our secret key and name, example mobile number data. So after providing the first data, the user must click the upload button. After uploading succeed, so user must to exit the to home page, user must click the cancel button. First enter the secret key for the uploaded data. So next enter the mobile number of the user. So enter the name of the file. So enter the numbers of the files. So after clicking, the data will be uploaded to the cloud server. So after uploading, the data will be successfully stored in the server. If user want to download the data from the server, the user must click the download button. So after clicking the download button, the download page will be displayed. So in this, the user must enter the mobile number and the secret key of the other users. We propose the system for the cloud computing, where for one query the receiver can only access one file instead of all files. In other words, access permission is bound not only to the identity of the receiver but also the file. The access permission can be decided by the data owner instead of the trust party. Furthermore, our schemes are secure against a collision attack and will also detect the distributed DOS attack which is her Android-based device and can get the notification also. To enhance the security level, we provide the secret key on Android device. The access permission is decided by the data owner, therefore the proposed work secure against a collision work. The existing key must not detect the distributed denial of service attack, which is possibly on proxy server to make the server busy and stop to the response to the authorized user by sending the request repeatedly. So proposed work makes the system DDoS free. Our proposed work will provide the facility to the system users to access the system and can get the request notification on the Android based device. First, in this, data owner and the proxy server and the receivers. The data owners encrypt his data before outsource to the proxy server, and the data owner checks for the authorization of the user. If the request is authorized, then only the decryption key will be generated and transferred to the proxy server. So otherwise, the secret key not matched will be displayed. So secret key not matched. So for some reason the HTTP links will be unavailably distributed if the software is hacked by the others. So in this application we are using the AES encryption technique. The AES encryption stands for Advanced Encryption Standard. The AES encryption technique, that is to encrypt the data. Also now we are using the identity based encryption for the decryption of the AES encrypted data. So before decrypting data, the user must provide their secret key. If the secret key is not matched, the encrypted data will not download to the users. Thank you.